This video will show you how to straighten and tighten the 326-611 Soft Close Detachable Seat. Toilet seats are attached to the bowls with two hinges. Over time, the hinges can loosen, particularly as users often turn while on the seats, putting extra stress on those hinges. The result is a seat that's loose, so it not only doesn't look good, but it can also pose safety concerns. Fortunately, tightening the hinges is really easy. Move the seat to the upright position and press the quick release buttons at the base of the seat. Pull the seat upward. Remove the decorative hinge covers, exposing the hinge adjustments. Replace the seat by pushing the seat back onto those hinges. Close the seat. Remember, this is a soft closing seat. You should never force the seat closed, as it can damage the hinges. Just tilt the seat downward and let it close on its own. As the seat is loose, you should be able to adjust it to realign the front and sides to the toilet bowl. If the seat isn't quite loose enough to move easily, you can always loosen the hinge screws first. Once the seat is positioned properly, tighten the hinge screws using a Phillips screwdriver. Now remove the seat again by pushing on the quick release buttons and lifting upward. Replace the hinge covers. If your hinge covers are showing signs of wear, they are available as a replacement part. The hinge covers are part number 326-611-cover and are available in chrome, matte black, and white. We've added the links for these replacement parts to the description below. Of course, before replacing them, you can also try soaking them in a 50-50 water and vinegar solution for 30 minutes first. Sometimes a good clean is all you need. Replace the seat a last time and you're finished. For more information on this maintenance or any Caroma questions, please give our customer service team a call. You can reach us from 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Pacific Time, Monday to Friday at 1-800-460-7019 or by email at help@sustainableSolutions.com.